Kia ora whānau, you are with Nicole from Double the Fun. Kei te pihi a koe. How are you today? I hope you're feeling really good today and having an excellent day. I need some help today. I need help making a farm. Could you please help me? You can? Ah, thank you. We're going to start off by putting this green piece on top today. There we go. Now we are also going to pop this green piece here, a darker green, for the grass. Now this is a little lake, so we need to put a fence in here. Can you push the fence down for me? Push the fence down. Thank you. Now let's pop a duck in our pond. Are you ready? Quack, 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 quack. Can you quack like a duck? Oh, well done. Right, we are going to pop a barn up here, and in front of our barn we are going to put a pig. Can you oink like a pig? Well done. We are also going to put a chicken. Oh, yay. What else can we pop here? I'm going to put a bunny. There we go. Wow, look at that. Next, I am going to put a barn right here. I think that I might pop a horse behind this fence at the top. Let's have a look. My horse is going to go here. Could you neigh like a horse? Are you ready? Neigh! Well done. Right, I am going to put two cats in the grass over here. 1, 2. Can you meow like a cat? Meow, meow. Well done. Right, I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to pop this colour down here, and I am going to put some trees down here. Let's put the greenery on the trees. Let's make it an apple tree. Can we put some apples on? Yummy, yummy. I love apples. There we go. Right, let's also pop a fence down here. There we go. Oh, let's put an owl in our tree. There we go. Can you make a sound like an owl? Ooh, 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 ooh. Well done. Right, let's pop this yellow over here, and let's have a look. Let's pop a duck over here. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Well done. Let's put some shrubbery up here. I think our sky needs some clouds. Let's pop some clouds in the sky. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's put a sun in the sky. And let's put a rainbow up there. Wow, how cool. Right, we need our farmer. Our farmer can be here ready to go into the barn in between his two pussycats. You say, hello farmer. Hello farmer. Right, let's see. Let's pop, let's put our cow. Do you know what? I'm going to put the cow here. I'm going to move the cats over here actually. I've changed my mind. I'm going to put the cow here by the farmer. Can you moo like a cow? Moo, moo. Let's move this fence over by the cow as well. There we go. Cool. I might put a sheep over here and put some more shrubbery down here. Might put a little duck over here. And oh yes, I would like to put a butterfly in the sky up here, flying into the sky. Wow, look at my farm. This is so amazing. Wow, we've got a cow, a sheep, an owl, some cats, some ducks. We've got a horse, a rabbit, a chicken, a pig. So many amazing things on our farm today. Wow, thank you so much for playing with me today and helping me make my farm. You are amazing. We'll see you next time, friends. Ka kite. Ka kite, see you soon. It's time for us to zoom, zoom, zoom. Thanks for joining Double the Fun. We hope you've had lots of fun, fun, fun.